Hello grade 5. Today we solve other question of our revision sheet. We solve from 1 to 10. Today we solve from 11 to 20. Number 11, which shows the product or quotient in simplest form. We have the 2 times 3, 1 over 3. So we transform the mixed number as a fraction. So we make 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3. So 2 times 3 times 3 plus 1 over 3. 3 times 3 is equal 9. 9 plus 1 is equal 10. So we have 2 times 10 over 3. Then we transform the 2 in a fraction. So we have 2 times 2 over 1 times 10 over 3. And then we make the multiplication. 2 times 10 is equal 20. 1 times 3 is equal 3. We don't want the numerator bigger than the denominator. So we make the division. We make 20 divided by 3 equal 6. 3 times 6 is equal 18. 20 minus 18 is equal 2. So we have these three numbers, 3, 6 and 2. We said that we put the 6 alone, the 3 down and the 2 up. So the result is 6, 2 over 3. So we choose answer C. Number 12, which shows the product or quotient in simplest form. We have 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. We use the rule keep, change, flip. So we make 1 over 4, we keep the first fraction as it is. We change division in multiplication, so become times. And we change the second fraction. So 1 over 2 become 2 over 1. So we have 1 over 4 times 2 over 1. Then we make the multiplication. 1 times 2, 4 times 1. So 2 times 1 equal 2. 4 times 1 equal 4. So the result is 2 over 4. If we make both of them divided by 2, we have 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. So the result is equal 1 over 2. So we choose C. Which shows the product or quotient in simplest form. This is question number 13. 3 over 7 times 1 over 3. We make the multiplication. 3 times 1 over 7 times 3. 3 times 1 is equal 3. 7 times 3 is equal 21. So we make divided by 3 up and down. So 3 divided by 3 is equal 1. 21 divided by 3 is equal 7. So the result is 1 over 7. So we choose answer A. Number 14, which shows the product or quotient in simplest form. We have 2, 1 over 3 times 1, 1 over 4. Two mixed numbers. So we transform it in fraction. We have 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. So 2 times 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 1 over 3 times 4 times 1 equal 4 plus 1 over 4. 6 plus 1 is equal 7. So the first fraction becomes 7 over 3 times 4 plus 1 is equal 5. So the second mixed number becomes 5 over 4. So we have 7 over 3 times 5 over 4. We make the multiplication. So we have 7 times 5 equals 35, 3 times 4 equals 12. So the result is equal 35 over 12. We don't want the numerator bigger than the denominator, so we make the division. 35 divided by 12. We put 2 and we have 24. 35 minus 24 is equal 11. So the result, we have the three numbers, 2, 12 and 11. We put the 2 alone, the 12 down, the 11 up. So the result is 2, 11 over 12. Sorry. Number 15, which show the product or quotient in simplest form. We have 4, 2 over 5 divided by 3. So at first we transform the mixed number in fraction. And the whole number, we transform it in fraction. So we have 4 times 5 plus 2 over 5, divided by 3 over 1. 4 times 5 is equal 20. 20 plus 2 is equal 22. So the first mixed number becomes 22 over 5, divided by 3 over 1. Now we have 22 over 5 divided by 3 over 1. We use the rule keep, change, flip. So we bring the first fraction and write as it is. So 22 over 5. We change the division in multiplication, so become times. And we transform the second fraction. We put the number up, down, and the number down, up. So 3 over 1 become 1 over 3. So we have 22 over 5 times 1 over 3. 22 times 1 is equal 22. 5 times 3 is equal 15. So the result is equal 22 over 15. We said that we don't want numerator bigger than denominator, so we make the division. 22 divided by 15 is equal 1, and then 1 times 15 is equal 15, so 22 minus 15 is equal 7. So we have the three numbers, 1, 15 and 7. We put the 1 alone, 15 down, 7 up. So the solution is 1, 7 over 15. So we choose answer D. Now, number 16, use the fraction bars. What is the difference? We don't use the fraction bars. We make the normal subtraction. So we have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 8. So the times table of 2 and 8 are 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 is 8, 16. So we want the smallest number in common is equal 8. So we write two fractions with 8 at the denominator. 1 over 2 we make 8 divided by 2 is equal 4. 1 times 4 is equal 4. So the first fraction becomes 4 over 8. 1 over 8 we make 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. So we bring the 1, so the second fraction become 1 over 8. Remain the same. So we make 4 divided by over 8, minus 1 over 8. The 8 at the denominator remain the same, so we write 8. And up we make 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. So the result is 3 over 8. So the answer is B. Also here, number 17, use the fraction bars. What is the sum? Also here we don't use the fraction bars. We use the normal addition. So we make 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3. We write the two times table, the times table of 4 and the times table of 3. 4 is 4, 8, 12, and 16. 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12. We have found the number in common. So we have found 12. So we write 12 plus 12. 12 at the denominator. 1 over 4, we make 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. So the first fraction becomes 3 over 12. 1 over 3, we make 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 4 times 1 is equal 4. So the second fraction becomes 4 over 12. So we make the sum. So 3 over 12 plus 4 over 12. We have the same denominator, so the denominator remains the same, 12. 3 plus 4 is equal 7. So our result is 7 over 12. So our answer is C. Now, number 18. We want to find the sum in simplest form. We have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 6. We write the times table of 4 and the times table of 6. 4 is 4, 8, 12, and 16. 6 is 6 and 12. We write 12 at the denominator. So 3 over 4 become 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So the first fraction is 9 over 12. 1 over 6 is 12 divided 6 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. So the second fraction becomes 2 over 12. So our sum becomes 9 over 12 plus 2 over 12. Here we have the same denominator. So we write the same denominator down, so is 12. Up, 9 plus 2 is equal 11. So our result is 11 over 12. So the answer is A. Here we want to find the sum in simplest form, number 19. 1 over 8 plus 3 over 4. We write the times table of 8 and 4. The times table of 8 and 4 are 8, 16, the times table of 8. 4 is 4, 8, 12. So we have 8 is the smallest number in common. So we write 8 at the denominator. Now, 1 over 8 becomes 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 1 times 1 equal 1. So the first fraction remains the same, 1 over 8. The second fraction, 3 over 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal 2. 2 times 3 is equal 6. So the second fraction becomes 6 over 8. So if we make the sum of these two fractions, we have 1 over 8 plus 6 over 8. 8 remains the same at the denominator. The numerator becomes the sum of 1 and 6. 1 plus 6 is equal 7, so our result is 7 over 8. So we choose B. The last one. Number 20, we want to find the sum in simplest form. This is very easy. We have 7 over 11 plus 4 over 11. Here we have the same denominator, so we don't have to write the times table and the steps that we make in the other exercise. Here we write the same denominator, 11, and we make the sum of the numerators. So we make 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is equal 11, so we have 11 over 11. 11 over 11. When we have the same number up and down, this is equal 1. So the result of our sum is equal 1. So we choose D. Good study. We will finish our revision sheet in the next videos. And so, good study and bye.